Yeah, I noticed I had to go to Walmart the other day and I took a quick run down the still completely wiped out Lego aisle, and they had started getting European sets. I'd only seen them in Target before now, but they had a bunch of European stickered sets there. I'm really tempted to go buy something that's, you know, $10. I may buy another like mech and leave all the stickers intact and just stick it in a corner for no other reason than to be like, remember that time. You got a 750 watt power supply through Newegg for, yeah, see, you don't have to pay a small fortune. No reason at all. You don't want to remember this time? Yeah, probably a fair point. Not remembering is probably the better, safer option here. All right, I'm a little confused by this. If it's supposed to go here, it can't do that. But if it's supposed to go here, it can. Oh, here. Gotcha. There it fits. Bargains are often a hit or miss. You love stickers. Not at all. You want your school to open? You're going insane? I don't know. I'm on the fence about it. I know a lot of teachers. None of them are in a mad rush. A lot of them are legit worried. Follow the little pictures, do what they say. I'm afraid to follow the little pictures and do what they say. That would be bad precedent, because then I start following these little pictures, and that's just scary. All right. Bonus parts. I can make a one-horned bull. I have one horn extra. These are all the bonus minifiggy parts. Bonus swords are always good. Always happy for the bonus swords. Next. Now what are we after? Now we're after 3 ship holes. 3 of the 4. You're not on the fence about it, Phil. Just stay closed till there's vacation. Until there's a vaccination, sorry. Otherwise, there'll be a... Yeah. There's got to be something. It's what you tell April all the time in her stream, to just follow the pictures. It's not that easy. They're very little pictures with a bunch of very little dots. Box, that's everything. PC, streaming, hobby, crafting right now. Everything's out of stock. Nobody's getting new stock. Basically, if it comes from overseas, regardless of which direction it's going, it ain't going right now. I have gear that I've wanted and needed for months. Like I said, it took 3 months for this to get here. Boyd. There's a Tweety Boyd. I have never built anything with nanoblock. Just the size of the nanoblocks kind of holds me away. It's like, I dropped those, they're never coming back. The haunted house was way worse. The new one. The new haunted house. I'm torn on that one. I want the old one.